Hello, I'm Lou Halpern, President of Bontac Technologies Incorporated, and I'm here to talk to you about waterproofing. Water and moisture are the most pervasive cause of the deterioration and destruction of all building structures. That destructive process is now being accelerated and exacerbated by climate change. Air pollution, a caustic environment, acid rain, road salt, and photochemically reactive VOC emissions are the new modern-day challenges that waterproofing scientists and engineers are faced with. Thick clay and stone buildings worked well in past centuries, but are no longer practical for modern-day protection from water infiltration. Waterproofing technology has advanced over the years, and there are now many solutions for the protection and preservation of building structures. Bitumen coatings provide excellent low-cost water protection. However, they become brittle and crack in 1 or 2 years and are no longer effective in preventing water and moisture infiltration. We commonly experience leaking basements, underground parking garages with wet peeling paint, and mold and mildew as a result of bacterial growth in a moist environment, leaking roofs, and so on. Moreover, bitumen contains carcinogenic polycyclic aromatics which pose a danger to the health and safety of the workers and applicators who are exposed to bitumen on a daily basis. There are many different types of waterproofing products available which are much more effective than bitumen. Most are applied as heavy thixotropic coatings with coverage of 30 to 50 square foot per gallon, consuming 1 to 1.5 kilos per square meter. They include two-component systems with short pot life and waste residual material to dispose of. Cementitious products, most of which are not flexible and crack when structures settle or shift. Sheet membranes requiring fasteners or glues subject to failure, creating points of water infiltration. Then there are multi-component systems comprising layer upon layer of coatings, sheet membrane, reinforcing mesh textiles, HDPE, vapor barriers, and so on. These are quite effective but are very expensive in material cost, time, and labor. Mother Nature also plays a role. Most products require a 24 to 48 hour cure time without rain. And in northern climates, exterior waterproofing halts during 4 to 5 months of winter weather and low temperatures. At Bontac Technologies Incorporated, we take waterproofing very seriously. Our scientifically advanced thin film liquid applied membrane technology is the answer to most, if not all, your waterproofing challenges, 364 days of the year, interior and exterior, regardless of weather conditions, climate, and environmental factors. Bontac provides low-cost, effective, long-term protection and preservation from air, moisture, and water, both inside and outside building structures. If your challenges are VOC regulations, Bontac Eco products are VOC-free, containing no photochemically reactive compounds. Bontac is not toxic to human, animal, or aquatic life. Bontac Eco does not affect our air, land, or sea environment. Bontac does not react with oxygen, so it does not support combustion and does not age for a very long time. Bontac is hydrophobic and water is repelled from the Bontac surface. So without water and oxygen, metal fasteners and other metal building components cannot corrode and bacteria cannot grow on the Bontac surface, providing protection from mold and mildew formation. Bontac is flexible and elastic with memory, so Bontac moves together with building components as they crack and shift to prevent air, moisture, and water infiltration. Bontac is extremely tough and resilient, exceeding all building code requirements for hydrostatic water pressure resistance. when used as a crack separation barrier sandwiched between cement and other hard surfaces such as stone, marble, and ceramic tile. The elastic properties of Bontac will protect the surface tile from damage regardless of the cement fracture underneath. So to recap the main Bontac features: 1. Used for indoor and exterior applications. 2. Waterproof and hydrophobic, effective barrier against air vapor, moisture, and water. 3. Resistant to mold, mildew, and bacterial growth. 4. Fire resistant. Liquid Bontac will not support combustion, and the dry membrane will not propagate flame or generate smoke in a typical structural fire. 5. Flexible and extensible. Bontac will not crack or peel. Bontac Eco 1500 and Bontac Eco Top Coat is an excellent system for long-term protection. 6. Bontac Eco 1500 is quick setting and has aggressive tack and pressure sensitivity, so it will adhere to virtually any surface, and virtually any building material will adhere to Bontac without the use of fasteners. 7. Bontac is easily applied at any temperature year-round. 8. Bontac provides rust and corrosion protection. It is resistant to UV, acid rain, caustic and corrosive alkali, and salt water. 9. It stops brick, stone, and concrete efflorescence and spalling. There are a myriad of many applications. Let's have a look at some demonstrations in our facility and in our laboratory.